Hello friends, a very happy morning to everyone. Welcome to Ekin. This channel, as you all know, has always been sending you related updates and awareness for the digital world as far as classrooms are concerned, video conferencing is concerned, huddle rooms, different kinds of studio setups, etc. are concerned. Today I am here only for talking about two small things which have been the consistent questions from all of y'all. I have been receiving queries from all over India, and the most important differences is what people would like to know: what is the difference between an interactive whiteboard and an interactive flat panel? This is what everybody has been asking. So here, this 2-minute video of mine is just dedicated for this particular product. I request you to, if you like my speech, if you like my content, request you to subscribe if you have not done it till now. Moving forward, let me just make you understand. As you can see behind my screen, there is an interactive whiteboard and there is an interactive white panel. There are around 8 differences. Starting from the first, let's understand what is an interactive whiteboard. Interactive whiteboard is a normal whiteboard which has LED sensors all throughout, and it needs a projector for display. It needs more space for the projector, computer and interactive whiteboard board. So the components needed to start this interactive whiteboard is a projector, a PC, a speaker. This is how the whole setup will be, and so then you can start and do the interactiveness in that. Normally it is done, the touch over here is of lower quality. Because the touch is of lower quality, the price is also, there is a difference in this between this board and the panel because of this touch sensitivity. Since we are using a projector, it's understood that there is always a shadow, because either you could be using a long through, short through, and ultra short through. So either or, if you go for an ultra short through, that sounds to be too costly. So normally people go for long through and short through, and in that definitely their shadows are created because of that. Second, when I say we need a speaker, it does not have an inbuilt speaker. You need a speaker which has to be attached externally. It needs a little cabling. You need to have the HDMI cable, the cables getting USB connectors, getting all connected together. Normally, this interactive whiteboard setup, which I described just now, is used for offline classrooms. It supports Windows and Linux only. Now coming to the interactive flat panel. So what is the advantage of an interactive flat panel? The interactive flat panel has an inbuilt LED lights. So see, the technology of the IR is the same. Now only difference is that this is made out of toughened glass, and since it's a toughened glass, the LED sensors are all around. The technology is the same, but the resolution is 4K resolution. That will makes a major difference over here. Obviously, you don't need 4 components like the projector, PC and the speaker, etc. All gets inbuilt into this. A high quality touch is going to be there, and it does not make any shadow, as you all know. Right, it has got inbuilt speaker over here. It has no extra power cables needed, just one power cable to get it connected, and your panel starts. It is suitable for all kinds of scenarios, and in this, it's not just for offline classrooms, but offline, online, remote, huddle rooms, everything it's getting used for. It supports Android, Mac, Windows, Linux, everything it supports. So I am sure the price difference is justified over here. Okay, why not an interactive whiteboard, and why an interactive flat panel, or why an interactive flat panel and not an interactive? Whatever way you go for the combination, this is how the things work. All you need to do is, you just need to click on to all my franchisees who are there all over India. We are now physically present in Bihar in 2 places, which is Patna and Bhagalpur. In Odisha, we are present in Bhubaneswar. In Manipur, we are present in Imphal. In Tripura, we are present in Agartala. In West Bengal, we are present in Calcutta. In Jharkhand, we are present in Ranchi. And in UP, we are present in Lucknow and Allahabad, and we are also present in Rajasthan, and you will soon be seeing us in Gujarat also. So very soon I request you to please connect to any of our franchisees, and here we are there to support you.